Passion can be selfish. Yes, you heard me right. In the world today, a lot of emphasis is on passion. People talk a lot about passion, and there's no problem with it. But we need to understand that passion can be selfish because that word passion means suffer. Okay? And I've said in one of my videos, I did say that passion is not what you love, rather, it is what you are willing to suffer for what you love. Now, that thing you love could be yourself, could be everything that has to do with you. And therefore, you want to protect yourself, you want to suffer this to save yourself. For instance, sorry to use this illustration, but you see, some people that have decided to take their own life decided that because they love themselves. In other words, they want to save themselves from the pain they are probably going through. So the best way they think they should go about it is to take their own life so that they will end the suffering. Okay? So at the end of the day, you see, it's not about the other person. In this case, it's about them. So passion can be selfish. Then, when it comes to compassion, compassion means co-suffering, not just suffering. That means I am feeling what other people feel. And that exactly is what Jesus did when he came on earth. He didn't just have passion, he had compassion. And that's why the Bible says we don't have a high priest that does not feel the things that we feel. Okay? So that is compassion. So he puts himself in our shoe to feel what we feel so he can respond and help us. So in compassion, we see the genuine love. But in passion, you can see somebody doing everything just for his own selfish interest. That's passion. Again, I said it's not wrong, but we need to understand that most times passion can be selfish, but not compassion.